Hi everyone, I am Eleni Hachikiriago. I'm currently a court trainee in Morriston Hospital. I'm originally from Cyprus. I have cleared the MRCS Part A and Part B, which was a quite difficult journey as I'm also working long hours at the same time. And I want to say a big thank you to Dr. Reda for helping me out through this journey. Part A was particularly difficult, and I'm happy that has gone through. I failed the first attempt, but the second attempt I joined Dr. Reda's course and I passed. After this, I had the Part B, which is also quite difficult, especially for international students. But thankfully, that went well uh, with the proper direction that I got. So thank you, Dr. Reda, and I wish for everyone uh, good luck to their journey. Thank you very much.